Today we're going to talk about collagen, but not in the way most people do. Because if you search collagen, you'll get the same three promises over and over: thicker hair, smoother skin, stronger nails, fewer wrinkles, happier joints, beauty, vanity, the fountain of youth in a scoop of powder. But the most important benefit of collagen isn't cosmetic at all. The real story of collagen has less to do with looking younger and more to do with how the body repairs itself, how it decides what to rebuild, where to reinforce, and how to keep you resilient when life and gravity starts winning. And before we get into it, quick favor: if you like clear, practical health explanations without the hype, hit like and subscribe. It genuinely motivates the creator to keep making new videos, and it helps the channel reach people who are tired of confusing advice. Alright, let's set the stage. Think of your body like a city. You've got buildings, roads, power lines, plumbing. Everything looks fine from the outside, but what truly matters is the structure holding it all together. That structure is collagen. Collagen is a protein, but not like the muscle-building protein people obsess over. It's scaffolding. It's the connective tissue that gives you shape, strength, and integrity. It's in your tendons and ligaments, your cartilage and joints, your fascia, the thin web wrapping muscles and organs, your skin and blood vessels, and even a big portion of your bones. If your body were a jacket, collagen would be the stitching. If your body were a suspension bridge, collagen would be the cables. And here's the part that surprises people: roughly 30% of the protein in your body is collagen. That's not a side character, that's a main pillar. Now, a long time ago, humans ate very differently than we do. Most cultures ate nose to tail. They ate the organs, the bone marrow, the skin, the cartilage. They simmered bones, knuckles, and joints into long-cooked stews. They made broths that turned into gelatin when cooled, because gelatin is essentially collagen in a different form. Modern food culture does the opposite. We want the tender cuts, the lean chicken breast, the trimmed fillet, meat that chews like butter. The problem is that the tender parts contain far less collagen. So while collagen makes up about 30% of your body's protein, modern diets often contain only a tiny fraction of collagen compared to what earlier humans naturally consumed. And that sets up a quiet deficiency, not necessarily in protein overall, but in the specific building blocks found heavily in collagen, especially one called glycine. Glycine isn't just another amino acid floating around on a label. It plays major roles in detox support, calming the nervous system, and deep sleep chemistry. So someone can say, "I eat plenty of protein," and still be missing the collagen-heavy amino acid profile that supports deeper repair processes. And then there's the age factor, which might be the most vivid way to understand this. At around 17, your collagen levels are close to their peak. Your tissues are springy, your joints recover, you can fall, pop up, and keep moving. Then time starts collecting interest. As we age, collagen production declines and collagen quality changes. Connective tissue becomes less elastic, fascia gets stiffer, skin starts to sag, joints complain, recovery slows down. That's why aging can feel like your body is slowly becoming less forgiving, because the stitching and cables that hold everything together aren't as strong or as flexible as they used to be. Now, to be fair, collagen does have popular benefits people talk about, and they can be real for many individuals: joint comfort, skin texture, nail brittleness, and gut lining support. Because collagen is rich in glycine, some people also notice better sleep quality, especially deeper sleep. Glycine is also connected to glutathione support, one of the body's major antioxidant systems in the liver. Those are all interesting, but they're not the main event. The big collagen secret, the real benefit most people aren't talking about, is that collagen is not just a building material. Most people imagine collagen like this: I drink collagen, it goes straight to my skin and joints, and it patches my wrinkles. That's not how biology works. When you consume collagen from food or powder, most of it gets broken down during digestion into individual amino acids, which then go into the body's general amino acid pool, the same pool created by eating eggs, fish, chicken, whey, or steak. Those amino acids can be used to build all kinds of tissue, so if most collagen gets broken down anyway, what makes collagen special? Here's the fascinating part: a small portion doesn't fully break down into single amino acids. Some remains as short chains called peptides, and peptides aren't just food, they can act like signals. Think of peptides like tiny text messages that tell your body, start repair mode here, reinforce this tissue, send resources. This is why collagen can be different from most other proteins. When you eat chicken breast or whey, you mostly get amino acids, raw materials. When you consume collagen, you get amino acids and some unique peptide signals that can stimulate the body's repair conversation. Imagine you're rebuilding a house. Amino acids are the bricks, wood, nails, and concrete, but collagen peptides are the foreman walking onto the site saying, "Here's where we rebuild today." Those peptides can stimulate activity in cells involved in connective tissue maintenance and repair, including fibroblasts, cells associated with producing collagen and supporting tissue structure, and they relate to elastin support as well, which matters because youthful tissue isn't just strong, it's elastic. That elasticity is the difference between resilient and springy and stiff and fragile. So collagen isn't only about having raw material, it's about turning on the repair signal that helps your body decide what to do with that material. And once you see collagen as infrastructure, you realize it matters far beyond vanity. Skin is collagen, ligaments and tendons are collagen, fascia is collagen, even arteries rely on collagen structure. So when collagen peptides support repair and reinforcement, we're not just talking about looking better in the mirror, we're talking about staying put together, staying resilient, resilient, and supporting the systems that help you move and recover over time. So how do you get more collagen in real life? Yes, you can use a collagen powder. Many people add it to coffee or tea because it dissolves easily and doesn't dramatically change the taste. But you can also get collagen the old-fashioned way by eating more nose-to-tail foods, skin on chicken or fish, long-cooked stews with connective tissue, bone broth that gels when chilled, collagen-rich cuts like shanks, oxtail, joints and knuckles, and gelatin-rich traditional dishes. Some cultures use chicken feet for this reason. Collagen-heavy, simmered down into gelatin. And there's a practical clue in the kitchen. Animals that move more tend to have tougher, more collagen-rich tissue, while ultra-tender meat often means you're getting plenty of muscle protein but less connective tissue. One more thing, collagen rebuilding also relies on helpers, especially vitamin C, plus trace minerals like copper, along with adequate overall nutrition and enough sleep. Because repair is largely a nighttime job, so collagen isn't magic by itself, but it can be a powerful part of a broader repair environment. The takeaway is simple. If you only think of collagen as a beauty supplement, you're missing the point. Collagen is your body's structural support system, and collagen peptides may provide a unique signaling effect that helps tell your body to repair and rebuild the connective tissue that keeps you resilient. It's not just about looking younger, it's about staying put together. If you want a practical next step, start simple. Add a consistent collagen source and support it with basics like sleep, movement, and vitamin C-rich foods. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up episode with easy collagen-friendly meals and a daily collagen routine that's actually realistic.